Imagine stepping into your backyard on a crisp spring morning, the sun just peeking over the horizon, and plucking fresh, peppery arugula leaves and hearty kale right from the soil you've nurtured yourself. No more wilted greens from the store, no more wondering about pesticides, just vibrant, nutrient-packed salads straight from your garden. If that sounds like a dream, welcome to the world of growing arugula and kale, two superstar leafy greens that are perfect for beginners in the USA. Whether you're in the sunny Southwest, the humid Southeast, or the cooler Northeast, these versatile plants can thrive with a little know-how. As a professional content writer and SEO expert, I'm here to guide you through every step from seed to harvest in a way that's helpful, clear, and easy to follow. Let's dive in and turn your thumb green. First off, let's talk about why arugula and kale deserve a spot in your garden. Arugula, also known as rocket, brings a spicy, nutty flavor that's unbeatable in salads, pizzas, or sandwiches. It's a fast grower, ready to harvest in as little as 3 weeks, making it ideal for impatient beginners. Kale, on the other hand, is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus antioxidants that boost your health. It comes in varieties like curly kale for that classic ruffled look, or lacinato kale, often called dinosaur kale with its long, dark leaves. Both are cool season crops, meaning they love the milder temperatures of spring and fall across most U.S. regions. But with some tips, you can grow them year-round in zones 3 through 11, starting with the basics, choosing the right spot and soil for your arugula and kale. These greens aren't picky, but they do best in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Test your soil with a simple kit from your local garden center. It's an easy first step for beginners. If your soil is too acidic, add some lime. If it's too alkaline, incorporate sulfur. Amend it with compost or aged manure to boost nutrients and improve texture. For container gardening, which is great if you're in an urban area like New York or Chicago, use a high-quality potting mix in pots at least 12 inches deep. Plant arugula and kale in full sun to partial shade. Aim for at least 4-6 hours of sunlight daily. In hotter states like Texas or Florida, afternoon shade prevents bolting, which is when plants shoot up flowers and turn bitter. Now, temperature is key to success. Arugula prefers cooler weather, thriving between 45 BF and 65 BF. It can tolerate light frosts, making it perfect for early spring planting in places like the Midwest. If temperatures climb above 75 BF, it might bolt quickly, so mulch around the plants to keep roots cool. Kale is even hardier, handling temps down to 20 BF once established, which is why it's a fall favorite in New England. Ideal growth happens at 60 BF to 70 BF, but it sweetens after a frost, so don't rush to harvest in cooler climates. For beginners, start seeds indoors 4-6 weeks before your last frost date. Check the USDA hardiness zone map for your area. In warmer zones like California, succession planting every 2-3 weeks ensures a continuous supply. Watering might seem straightforward, but getting it right is crucial for healthy roots and preventing issues like rot. Arugula and kale need consistent moisture, about 1 inch per week, but overwatering leads to soggy soil and fungal diseases. Water deeply at the base of the plants in the morning, allowing the soil to dry slightly between sessions. This encourages strong root development. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation for efficiency, especially in dry areas like Arizona. For beginners, stick your finger an inch into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. In rainy regions like the Pacific Northwest, you might water less, but always ensure good drainage to avoid waterlogged roots. Mulching with straw or wood chips helps retain moisture and suppress weeds, keeping your routine simple. Fertilizing comes next, and it's all about balance for lush, vibrant growth. These greens are moderate feeders, so start with a balanced, organic fertilizer like 10-10-10 at planting time. Apply it sparingly, about a tablespoon per plant mixed into the soil. Once they're growing, side dress with compost tea or a nitrogen-rich fertilizer every 4-6 weeks to promote leafy expansion. Avoid high nitrogen synthetics if you're organic gardening. Instead, use fish emulsion or worm castings, which are readily available at U.S. stores like Home Depot. Pruning is equally important for bushier plants. For arugula, pinch off the tips when plants reach 4 inches to encourage side shoots. Kale benefits from harvesting outer leaves first, leaving the center to grow. This cut and come again method can yield multiple harvests from one plant. Remove any yellowing leaves promptly to prevent disease spread and keep air circulating. Of course, no garden is without challenges, but common problems with arugula and kale have easy solutions. Pests like aphids or flea beetles love these greens. Spot them as tiny black spots or holes in leaves. A simple spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap, applied in the evening, knocks them out without harming beneficial insects. In humid areas like the South, watch for downy mildew, which shows as white, fuzzy patches. Improve airflow by spacing plants 12-18 inches apart and avoid overhead watering, bolting in heat. Provide shade cloth or harvest early. Nutrient deficiencies might cause yellow leaves. A quick soil test and balanced fertilizer fix that. For beginners, prevention is best. Rotate crops yearly to avoid soil-borne diseases, and companion plant with marigolds to deter pests naturally. As you get the hang of it, experiment with varieties suited to your U.S. region. For arugula, try Astro for heat tolerance in the Sunbelt or Sylvetta for wild flavor in cooler zones. Kale options include Red Russian for tender leaves in the Northeast or Tuscan for pest resistance everywhere. Harvest arugula when leaves are 3-4 inches for the best taste. Snip with scissors. Kale is ready at 6-8 inches. Younger leaves are milder for salads, mature ones for soups. Store in the fridge for up to a week, or blanch and freeze for winter use. Growing arugula and kale isn't just about the harvest. It's about connecting with nature, saving money on groceries, and boosting your well-being. With these tips, you'll have thriving plants in no time, ready to get started. Grab some seeds today. Plant them with confidence. You watch your garden flourish. Your fresh greens await! If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.